खाता ना, उसमें लिख दीजिएगा, मजीद उधर लिख दीजिएगा. In this regard, it is submitted that Islamabad High Court.
Yes, my lord.
In Islamabad High Court, they call them writ petitions, right?
Yes, my lord.
So I've never understood why in some high courts they're called writ petitions and in some they're called constitutional petitions. Anyways, in this regard, it is submitted that writ petition number 2557/2022 was pending adjudication before the Islamabad High Court, which was filed by
Islamabad High Court Bar Association through Mr. Hamid Khan, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court.
And as such, this court should have awaited the judgment, decision of such petition, and then if it was assailed, and the same could have, and if someone was not satisfied therewith, the same could have been assailed it would have been a petition or an appeal, as an appeal under Article 5. It would be an appeal.
Petition and then
Petition if leave granted, then an appeal.
Okay, IC भी तो होगी ना फिर.
जी sir.
Petition oblique leave, appeal कर दें दोनों. Okay, now we come to the district. This elected public reference is made to the. ये बताएं जरा.
My lord.
Can you dictate it directly?
Yes, my lord.
Keep it as less wordy as possible.
My lord, the majority judgment has rewritten the constitution and statute by creating artificial distinction between civil servants and public servants when dealing with the definition of public servants. Civil servants and politicians, holders of public office.
Elected holders of
Public office?
and persons in service of Pakistan.
Yes.
आपने नोट कर लिया?
Elected holders of public office and
Persons in the service of Pakistan.
अब दोबारा
या अगर आप लिख के दे दो, अगर आप if you're not sure.
My lord, yes.
ठीक है, आप ऐसा करें, just give it to the steno.
All right.
And you just write it exactly, because whatever I know it's difficult sometimes just
I
thinking
have
on
it
your
written
feet.
down. I'll give it to the.
ठीक, just give it to him. अच्छा, इसमें लिखिए, you rely upon the minority judgment or you don't?
My lord, I do.
In its entirety.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. There was it is the minority judgment is relied upon. Full stop. There was another point to stay the proceedings. वो वाला. अगला लिख लें. It is connected with the first one.
practice and the stay. Yes.
हाँ, उसमें जरा add कर दें. This aspect of the matter was, attention to this aspect of the matter was brought to the court by also filing a separate application.
My lord.
PM 7066.
Bracket में कर दें, क्या number है?
7066 of 2023.
Through SOP and through amendment. 100 million.
हाँ, अच्छा, okay. वो वाला बताएं, number क्या था?
CMA 7066 of 2023.
2023, and the judgment and the order passed thereon dated
29th August 2023.
by majority of 2-1
My lord.
did not consider the grounds raised, but the same were considered by the minority order. Will be of the same date?
Yes, my lord.
Of the same date. Full stop. एक point ऊपर डाल दीजिए. This court, the majority judgment accepted the prescribed limit of 100 million, which finds mention in the standard operating procedures made by NAP, but struck down the provision whereby the legislature increased the limit to 500 million. Are we done with all your propositions?
My lord, very briefly, there were two others. One relates to the choice of forum, that these amendments
वो आप इस तरह करें ना, आप लिख के दे दीजिए.
दे देता हूँ.
नहीं, जरा मैं बता लें, जरा सुन लें. वो तो आपने, we have written that the High Court should have determined that. We've given the writ number also.
No, choice of forum, my lord, that instead of NAB, some matters are now to be dealt by the under the Prevention of Corruption Act.
इसमें लिखे, the amendments have not done away with the criminality aspect of the matter, but have only changed the forum.
Yes, madam.
And change of forum and change of forum vis-a-vis the trial, and no person can be stated to be adversely affected by such change.
Yes, madam.
Okay, ये हो गया. दूसरा क्या था?
My lord, the other was that the legislature had the power to make this law and to repeal this law, so it also had the lesser power to amend it.
The NAB ordinance was enacted as an ordinance. Was enacted by the legislature, and if the legislature can make a law, it is empowered to repeal it too. However, in this case, only certain amendments were made. Done?
Yes, madam.
इसमें लिखिए copy of this order. Copy of this order be sent. आ जाए उनको बुला लें. To Khwaja Harish Saab and to respond number 1 today.
I have a request, Your Honor.
हम इसको तो हाँ नैब का आपका हम लिख देंगे बाद में. वो मैं जरा से पॉइंट्स आपस में डिस्कस करके फिर रीड दी ऑर्डर. ओके, सर्टेन इन्फॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड.
Holder of public office वाली बात.
परसों की डेट at 11:30.